Hello.
Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 4.
West Coast Swing.
Inspo.
Inspiration. That's Stacia.
That's Brian. We came inspired to think about turning and spinning tonight. Everyone can always get better at that, right? And a couple weeks ago, we figured this might be a good follow-up to the other class because those barrel rolls were kind of challenging. So to start with, we just did some solo drills that you can do at home. You can do these a lot of different ways, but one that we tried in class today is step, triple step, triple step, rock step. You could do those back and forth. Just being able to do those down a line. We talked about like not looking down, thinking about our posture, shoulders on top of hips, etc. And then moving as one piece, so not letting half of your body go. And then we
put that into a very, very common Lindy Hop move.
Here it is.
Step, triple step,
triple step, rock step. And then we talked about in West Coast Swing, I am not the expert at them, but in West Coast Swing, you could ask for a one-footed turn there. We talked a lot about that prep, but just making that available so that you can then step out of it. We'll say follows I ask for this. Sometimes the lead is suggesting it. I can still step through it. But if Brian was going to lead the other move, I can say, hey, I think I want to do this other thing and have it be available. So you did a great job at that. And then we wanted to put a one-footed in one other place. We put it in this other move.
Just roll out the base move, rock, step, triple step, triple step.
And we put a little one-footed and a ronde in it. Look like this. One step,
Ooh,
ronde.
hey.
I ended up doing a little kickball change out of it. And that's what we did. Oh, yeah!